Hello and welcome to the multiplication Made Easy Super Easy series. In this video, we will tell you a brand new technique that has occurred to me quite recently. And in this technique, I will tell you about the way to derive many tables from a single table. Right, a similar video we have done previously also, where we learned how to derive multiplication tables, many multiplication tables from a single table. From the table of 5, we derived the table of 25 and the table of 15 and table of 25, and I told you how to derive the table of 13, 35, 45 and 55 also. We will use the same technique to derive other tables from the table of 2 here in this video. All right, so for the table of 2, we will first write the table of 2, and we draw 2 squares of 4 boxes. Okay, 2 squares of 4 boxes. This wasn't the video, right? Okay. Stop. All right, these are 2 squares of 4 boxes. This is the first square, and this one is the second square. And the boundaries of the squares, I cannot draw a straight line. Actually, I am using my fingers on an application, a mobile application, to draw these squares. I don't have a pen with me. All right, so in the first square, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, the way I have done here. Okay, another 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, the same way, exactly the same way. Okay, we will complete the table. We will write the table of 2. Okay, inside the first square, we will fill the other digits also. Okay, that will be all zeros inside the boxes. Remember, the numbers written in blue are the first digits of the table for 2. Now the other digits, all 4 zeros inside the first box and 1 below the at the bottom below the first square, and 4 ones inside the box and 2 below the bottom of the second square. Now let's complete the table up to 20 multiplications, table of 2 I mean. Okay, then we will draw 2 more squares of 4 boxes each. That's how. All right, fill the number the same way, same color also. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. All right, now the third box will be, the other digits of the third box will be 2's inside the, all 4 2's inside the box, inside the square. and fourth 2 and 3 will be at the bottom with 0, and 3 is in the fourth square and 4 at the bottom. This completes the table of 2 up to 20 multiplications. All right. Now we will derive the table of 12 from this table. All you have to do is to keep the digits written in blue unchanged. Okay, to keep the digits written in blue unchanged. Only you will have to change the digits written in yellow, the yellow colored digits. Okay, you simply add the table of 1 to the yellow digits. All right, so 1 plus the first yellow digit, that is 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 2 plus 0 is 2. The second, 3 plus 0 is 3. That's not a 3. 3. And 4 plus 0 is 4. 4. That's how. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, the next yellow number was 1. So 5 added to 1 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7. Oh, not 8, it's 7. All right, 6 plus 1 is 7. We will remove, and 6 plus 1 is 7. That's how. Okay, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10, and the add 10 to the next number. 10 plus 2 is 12, next yellow number. All right, 10 plus 2 is 12. 11 plus 2 is 13. Add 12 to the next yellow number. 12 plus 2 is 14. 13 to the next yellow number. 13 plus 2 is 15. 16 to the next, 14 to the next yellow number. Let's do it again. It was 13 plus 2, 15. 14 plus 2, 16. And 15 plus 3. The next yellow number is 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. Add 16 to the next yellow number. 16 plus 3 is 19. All right, 19. Not a clear 9. This 9 is not also not clear. Okay, and 17 plus 3 is 20. Add 70 to the next yellow number. All right, 17. Now 18 to the next yellow number. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 will go here, no, here. All right, this is 21, and next will be 22. All right, 19 plus 3 is 22, and 20 plus 4 is 24. Add 20. We will add 20 to the last yellow number, which was 4. 12 1 that 12, 2 that 12 5 6 that 7 that 84, 9 that 1 0 8, 12 10 are 1 0 1 2 0. Okay, this is 12 15 are 180, 12 16 are 192, 12 17 are 204, 12 18 are 216, 12 19 are 228, 12 20 are 240. This completes our table of 12 up to 20 multiplications. See, we have just added the table of 1 to the yellow digits of the table of 2, and our new table is the table for 12. Okay, similarly you can drive the table of 22 by simply adding the table of 2 to the yellow digits of the table of 2. Table of 2 to the yellow digits of table of 2 again. The new table will be the table of 22. And if you add the table of 3 to the table of to the yellow digits of the table of 2, the new table will be the table of 32. If you add the table of 4 to the yellow digits of the table of 2, the new table will be the table of 42. Similarly, and in this way you can drive more and more tables from the table of 2. All right, I hope you have understood the process, and you can drive as many tables as you please. All the best and bye for now. Take care of yourself. Love is stop.